Section 3.3, problems 1 and 2. Here's number 1. Angela took a general aptitude test and scored in the 81st percentile for aptitude and accounting. Part A, what percentage of scores were at or below her score? Well, that's what the 81st percentile tells us. It says that she scored above 81% of all the test takers. So we're going to put what percentage of scores were at or below her score? 81%. What percentage were above? Okay, at or above. Turns out to be, that's going to be 19%. Number 2, Clayton and Timothy took different sections of an Intro to Econ class. Each section had different final exam. Timothy scored 83. Looks like I cut it off a little bit here. 83 out of 100. All right, so let me get that down. All right, so this is Tim. He scored 83 out of 100. All right, so that's an 83%, right? He got an 83%. Then what? Oh, okay, and had a percentile of 72. All right, so 72%. Now, what about Clayton's? Clayton, how about C? Clayton scored 85 out of 100, so he got an 85%, and his percentile rank was 70. All right, who performed better with respect to the rest of the students in the class? Well, just who had the highest percentile. Looks like Timothy was in the 72nd percentile, so he scored better than 72% of all the test takers, whereas Clayton scored better than only 70% of the takers. So I think we can answer this one with Timothy. Okay, so Timothy here. So which one? Timothy, since his score is higher. Timothy, since his percentile score is higher, right? Yeah, actually, Clayton got the higher percentage, but we're talking about percentiles, so that's Timothy. He scored higher than 72% of all the test takers, whereas Clayton's 85% was only 70%, higher than 70% of all the test takers. So we're going to go with that last part right there. His percentile is higher.